stream is starting soon. No. Alright, basic MIPS assembler and C programming. Cool. Alrighty. That's a followers only mode? Let's try like that. Alright. Do I have a stream? I should make one. Then ready, yes, I can. Stream starting soon. There you go. As big as I can make it. Yeah. Alright, I'll be right back. Is the music playing? The music is playing. Cool. Oh, 4 viewers. Hello, people. Hello, everyone. I kind of just woke up, so I am making breakfast. As in, I'm putting in a bagel and getting either coffee or Red Bull, and then I'm going to be finishing this assignment today. This assignment's due in 11 hours and 30 minutes, so I gotta finish it. Give me 1 second. I'll be back. set wait, so syntax on? Yeah, right. Okay. I think that's a need. Alright, so this music, I think of this music that I got, which is, wait, what? So I got this music, which is pretty sure copyright free. Hopefully copyright free. It's the dudes, I'm not sure if you guys have ever seen it, but like Reloaded, where people make a bunch of torrents. They make like game torrents or whatever. Have music for their installers. So this is like a hour-and-a-half long soundtrack that I've been listening to, which is just like their installer music. And it's like 8-bit whatever. It's pretty cool. I like it. I've been really enjoying it. And I don't think they'll copyright me since they're like torrent creators. You know, no one really gives a shit about copyright if you make torrents. So I'm hoping that's like a good idea. I gotta post on Watch People Code because that's makes it more fun. Watch People Code. Alrighty. Part 4. So submit new link. URL. Oh wait, that's the title. Title in my stream. There's my coffee. Coffee's all done. Alright, let's see if that worked. That did work? Yeah, it did work. Cool. Alright, submit part 4. Alright, submitted. Hopefully I get people here soon. Okay, be right back. Let me get my food. My bagels and now my coffee. Also, to everyone who's here right now, I wanted to show you something. I have a, let's see, I don't know how you can see this. If you can see, I have H, J, K, and L on my mug, and then there's, it's Vim. It's Vim, dude. Look at it, it's Vim. I got my Vim mug for the perfect day of finishing this assignment. It's gonna be great. Vim mug. It's essential to programming correctly. If you don't have a mug for your freaking text editor, then you don't. I don't know what you're doing with your life. Whoa. Cool. There we go. Bagels are almost done, and we'll begin. Okay, so if you guys weren't here for the last time I had this working, that this was working, I have test1.asm, right? And so it's a bunch of MIPS assembly. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like MIPS assembly right here. And if I compile it and run it, a.out, whatever, and I put test1.asm, there's a bunch of warnings, ignore the warnings. It matches each line correctly, and then I made that regular expression which will break up the operands. Whoa, that was... Oh, shit. We might have to do something real quick. I might have to quickly like make a Flask API. Alright, hold on. Bagels are done. Bagels are done. Alright, wait, hold on. See what he said. Okay. Alright, we're good. We don't have to make a Flask API real quick. Alright, we're almost ready. Oh my god, that's so hot. Ow! Fuck. I can't. I'm going to pull that. Hold on. We're coming. We're coming, stream. I'm coming. Oh, it's gone. Hold on, this is spreading cream cheese on the bagel. We're almost. Alright. Spread. Holy crap, it's hot. Alright. Put it away. Fridge. Push it away. Boom. Alright, ready. Good is ready, my friends. Wow, 4 viewers? Holy crap. What's up, people? How are you? How are my people? My beautiful people. Holy crap, 6 people? Dude, what's up? Sunday's great for streaming. Alright. Alright, the stream has officially started. Alrighty. No chats, but whatever, it's good. What's up, people? Say hi. Alrighty. Hello. How you doing, Crabter? Crabter? Yeah, Crabter. Okay. So I'm able to identify what type of thing it is, I think. Maybe. Actually, that's a good point. I don't actually know how to identify what type of instruction it is. I got a text message. Who the hell would this be? Yes to confirm your appointment for tomorrow. No, fuck, I gotta change that. Okay, so what do I have? I don't need this or that. So I'm able to identify what it is just by the name, and I guess find the index. Right, get instruction index. I think it's based on the name. Yeah. Okay. I'm just nonchalantly eat my bagel. So I gotta like store labels somehow, and then associated indexes, or associated I guess like program counter, like addresses. So for each line, like what is it storing? So lines, bracket, and match identifier operand, yeah. Okay, so I feel like for line we need to add an okay, so what I really want to do is change this cure pointer to this, so the identifier and address struct, which hopefully shouldn't be too bad. I don't think we're there. I'm just gonna say screw it. I'll actually just change it. No regard for my safety. Label. Alright, so I just changed that. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I said that. Alright, so obviously it's not gonna work. Care pointer is not the same as unknown type name and label. What? Unknown type name label. Can you work this? Final clue convert.h. Is it really unknown type? What the fuck? Oh, it's because it's below. I'm an idiot. Obviously, that would make sense. How does that work? Oh, it's because the care pointer is the first thing in a label, so technically it's just going to store it in the same place that the label struct would store it, but it's going to break. Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. That would, I was thinking it was like a union. No, that might just not compile. What's my command do? Okay, so it only has to just a.out though if the compile succeeds. So maybe I'm right. Maybe I'm right. I don't know if that works. Need for Speed Underground 2. It's not a good song. It should be made very related. Whatever. Actually, quick, for everyone watching, for the 5 people watching, would you rather me have the music off, like for you guys? Because I can make it so you can't hear the music that I'm playing. Would you like prefer that there's no music, so that you could listen like to your own music or something? Because I did that last time and no one said anything, so I just didn't know which one you guys would prefer. Because I can make it so that I can play music for myself, but you guys can't hear it. So just let me know if you want that. Because I don't care either way. Or I do care, but I don't mind either way. Okay, so. Identifier. Hey, how you doing, Can? How's it going? How's it going, my dog? How are you? Address is equal to, what is it, PC? I don't remember what I called it, EIP? Oh, no. Where did I put the program counter? I need a program tab. Okay, it's not found. EIP. I got rid of the program counter for some reason. Oh, I feel stupid. I don't know why I would have gotten rid of that. How am I printing that out? What the hell? Doing fine. I think I'm in love. Started using MIPS last night. Never seen anything more beautiful. Awesome, dude. I love it. I love when people use command line editors. Even if it's not Vim, I still prefer like Emacs to anything that has like GUI, because you know, Linux master race, terminal master race. Oh my god. Let me just nonchalantly be very messy when I eat a bagel. Yeah, Emacs is cool though. Good for you. Good for using Emacs. More people should do it that way, in my opinion. Alright, so the program kind of declared here, which doesn't make any sense. Supposed to not have it that way. Well, I guess program counter, and then we'll do like separate program counter down here, maybe. I don't know, this is gonna be a stupid idea. Simplicity and the complexity. Yeah. Yeah, no, I get it. I'm pretty sure in Emacs though there's like way more commands that you can memorize and like hotkeys and whatever. I don't like the idea of like having to. They just seem very far to me. Like I don't know. I have like kind of small hands, so like there's like Control M or something, or like Control P or Control O. Anything like Control and then the right side of the keyboard, I don't like. I mean, I know there's the right control, but that's like I don't know. I just never use the right control. Vim just seems like a lot simpler to me than Emacs, so I don't know. I was thinking about using like Emacs, but then putting on evil mode so I can use Vim hotkeys, but I don't know. I just haven't gotten around to it. Yeah, exactly. GUI's always been a distraction. That's just it's just like so much faster. Yeah. That would be the other reason that I want to start using Emacs. Mostly because I can still use Vim hotkeys, and because I can learn Lisp and like do things with Emacs. Because I don't like learning Vim script for Vim to like program it. It's kind of just it's not something I want to do. But I'd rather learn Lisp, you know, if anything. Be a little more useful. Ah, this is my favorite. What is this called? We're at 41. I don't know what this is, but this is like one of my favorites. I don't even think this exists. It's like some Russian, like keygen music. This is my favorite though. Yeah, no, I imagine Lisp isn't that difficult. I just don't really have time to learn it. I would like, but when I have time, I definitely want to learn it because I love learning new tools like that. So yeah, one day I will learn it. I think I actually have it. I do. Yeah, like I have Emacs. I don't know. I just find file. Whoa. Is this? Alright, no. I'm not gonna learn to use Emacs right now. I'll learn it later though. Wait, alright, so I gotta dynamically allocate this line. So lines, bracket n, match, label, is equal to calloc, alloc 1 size of the label. And then I think wherever I clean this up, where do I clean this up? Is there the instruction delete? Line delete, yeah, that's it. So it's the label bracket identifier, which is that C string. So C string, and then this is the C, or the label struct. This is the identifier of the instruction, and then that's the operand, like the operand string. I am writing a basic, like super duper basic assembler. Not basic assembler like the language basic, but like basic as in simple. It takes like MIPS like assembly code and converts it to like its machine code representation. So like let's see. I'm just getting like a different terminal larger size. So there we go. So like it takes this machine code, which is in like the MIPS assembly language, and it will convert it to something like this. Yeah, just copy and paste it. Easier to see. It'll convert it to something like, wow, that looks fucking terrible. Jesus, what the hell happened to it? Kind of like a car accident or something. There we go. Yeah, so it'll take the above MIPS assembly code, so like everything above, you know, that line, and convert it to stuff below this line. And so, yeah, cool, dude. I love computer science. It's fucking awesome. And I love when people major in computer science. It's my favorite, dude. Yeah, so this is this student. I've been working on this like 3 or 4 different streams, but I just got super busy this week, and so I just haven't had time to work on it. There's been so many other assignments to do. So I'm gonna try and finish it tonight, or well, like within the next few hours, because I really don't want to be working on this all night, if possible. 47. Oh, this is dot identifier. This is dot, because those are not pointer. Wait. Oh, apparently I did mean to use that. What? Oh, I just misspelled identifier. Identifier, yeah. There we go, cool, so it's better working. Favorite programming language? Absolutely Python 3. Python 3, oh my god. I don't want to get too sidetracked, but like, I have so many projects in Python 3. I love Python 3. Like, Python 3 is my, that's my shit. Like, I just recently wrote this thing that, like, I'm a TA for an intro to programming course, and I just wrote this bot, like, in Python 3 that'll download all of their assignments for me, download, like, all the files they send me, make this nice, like, JSON, like, list of, like, you know, all the important information, so it just makes grading all their stuff really easy. You know, there's a bunch of other projects here. There's, like, a backend for an iOS app that I've written in Flask in Python 3. It's my personal blog website written in Flask. There's a bunch of other stuff. Like, this is a screenshot program. That was like my first thing, Python 3. This is a bot for Reddit, Python 3. This is a thing that, like, you know, downloads NASA's, like, so NASA has a thing called NASA APOD, which is Astronomy Picture of the Day. And, like, for the last decade and a half, you know, they've been uploading all these pictures of, like, just cool shit, like, in space and, like, whatever, science. It's, like, literally for the last, like, you know, decade. It's just, like, tons, you know, thousands on there. So I made a thing that, like, downloads all of them and categorizes them and, like, downloads information and stuff. I was gonna do something with it, I just never got around to it. And there's some other, like, small pet projects on here. But yeah, dude, Python 3. I've done so many projects in Python 3. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. I really appreciate the follow. Yeah, no, I mean, there's gotta be also some other chill dudes on Twitch, but yeah, no, thank you for following. I really appreciate it, man. I love having people to talk to you about programming. It's like my favorite thing. My absolutely favorite thing. And I love when people talk. Like, you are like the first person on a few streams to have, like, to type so many things. I love it. It's pretty great. It's great, dude. Oh, thank you. Alright, so printf, this failed. I don't know why I'm getting a sec faults, but we're gonna find out. Also, I don't know if that's allowed. This failed. Just be safe. Where did this fail print? Okay, so it's somewhere later on. It's after, like, the first thing that deletes. Maybe it's like this line or something? Oh my god. Did I delete it correctly? ZSH. I did. Okay, cool. Oh, just see. Oh, what do you say? Well, you like, is that like Emacs, like Python, what is not to like? Yeah, no, I like Emacs. I just don't know how to use it. I've been only using Vim for like the last 8 months or maybe a year. I don't remember how long it's been, but I wasn't sure if you were here for when I started the stream, but I showed everyone my here. I showed everyone my my Vim mug. It's got H, J, K, and L, and then on the other side it's just like the oh whoops, like the Vim logo. So as you can tell, I'm like really into Vim. I'll probably get an Emacs mug when I start learning Emacs though. It's kind of necessary. Whoa, what? Wait, so it's seg faulting here. Command line text editor like Emacs. Yeah. Oh, hold on. I got a phone call. Give me a second. Okay. Hello. How are you? Oh man. GDB is your friend here. I have not used GDB that much. I don't even know how to use it, dude. Run. Absolutely zero idea how to use GDB. Yes. Okay. And GDB. What do I give it? Do I give it like a compiled program or? GDB a.out. Start. Temporary breakpoint in main. Run. Yes. Yeah, so GDB a.out and then do I what, it's just, is it hanging or what am I doing? GDB a.out. Oh my god. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Wow, you already I'm glad you caught that. I don't know how long that would have taken me to remember. Undefined command. Is it I guess it's trying to like put it into GDB instead of the program. Yeah, because it's like failing. It's thinking it's a command. Help. Can I put like input or whatever? Files. Okay, it's not a command. I thought I said files. It's not a command. Data obscure. Oh wait, help files. Yeah, there we go. I think I do need to specify program words in a different way. I don't know. I always have the. I don't mean to seem like a I'm going to learn GDB eventually because I want to start using C more. I just like I don't know. I shouldn't be getting I shouldn't be getting this sec fault though. This is I normally do it the old way of just like going one by one and deleting it, or delete like some printf statement and just seeing where it fails because it's failing at the end. Like before that cleanup happens. It's just I don't know which one it's failing on. So it goes twice and it fails on the second one. Why would it fail on the second one? Oh wait, it might. Oh, it's trying to. Is free a null pointer? Is that? Can I check? I know why. I know why. It's trying to free something that's never been allocated, I think. Yeah, I think it's freeing something that's never been allocated. So like, where the hell was it? Maybe if I do something like if. Okay. There we go. Maybe it just needs to like, I gotta allocate everything in the beginning rather than trying to allocate it like as I go. So rather than allocating everything over there and make all these pointers. Oh, whoops. Right? Would that make sense? No. I should make them. I think Alexa was listening to me. Alexa, stop. Yeah, so I know what the error is. It's the fact that okay. Sorry. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna initialize all these to null. This will be the identifier. This will be the not address, the operands. That does not fix the default then. It should fix it though, because I mean it's failing on. Wait, doesn't make any sense. Yeah, here it is. If line label I know this is a really bad idea. I know everyone who knows GDB is probably like, what the hell are you doing? This is a waste of time. Alright, so, let's see. Let's get rid of this failed. Alright, so it deletes the label, deletes the identifier, deletes the operand, deletes the line, deletes the label. Deleting line. So it's when I try and free this identifier. Why would that be causing it to break? Identifier. I mean, it's a carrier pointer, right? So, it's a carrier pointer. Freeing identifier should be valid since I'm allocating it. I feel like I should. Could match size ever be 0? Doesn't look like it. Could match size ever be 0? Yes. Yeah, I think it could be. Yeah, let me just. I'll just printf %d %n. Wait, so %s %d. Match size is 70. Match size. Match size is 1. No. Wait, maybe? What the hell is match size? Oh wait, whoops, I'm sorry. Match size should be here. So match size is the size of the string that it matched plus the null terminator. So
No, it'll never be 0 because it'll always allocate space for that null terminator. That's the +1 that I had at the end there. Okay, so it prints out the label that it's deleting, which, if line bracket label is declared. I want to see if it always enters into this spot. Printf. This is so manual. Oh my god. Matched label. Oops. And then we will match instruction. Match operands. Alright. So it's always gonna match a label regardless of. Why would that be an issue? So it's always the regular expression will always match the empty string. Yeah. So one is an empty string. It's always going to match the empty like an empty string, and it'll always, I guess, allocate that space and just store a null terminator. Because somewhere in the program, I'll probably be like, I don't really know. I guess it's better to have it just initialized and have it just be, or like allocated and just being a null, like a null terminator, rather than being like some uninitialized pointer. I just don't know why. Oh wait. I was string copying into just the label pointer, which is a struct, which is what I was doing before when it was just a char pointer. Like this thing right here, I'm not sure if you can read it, but lines and then end match and then label, that used to be a char pointer, and so I was trying to string copy into that rather than the char pointer within it, since it's now a struct. Yeah. No, I'm sorry. That was bad for me to not even realize that. So I don't even need these. No, because they're always gonna be, they'll always be declared, or they'll always be like initialized. Oh my god. And since regular expressions will always match an empty string, I don't need to check if they're. Yeah. All right, we're good. We're all safe. Thank you. Wow, 14 people. Hello, people. How are you? Beautiful people. How you doing? Alrighty. Okay, so we're back to actually like the place that I wanted to be, which is this being a label, and so now it should always store the instruction that it was stored at. So like, if it ever finds a label, it'll now say that like main is at like 4 bytes. So then I should be able to like reference main just by saying 4 bytes. That didn't make any sense. I need to figure this out more. So I want to get like the instructions being converted. I think that was the main goal that I had last time, where if I was given like add I, it would convert it to machine code. I want to get that working. Get all that for the instructions working. So for instructions to bytes, I'm gonna give myself the instruction index, and then I don't know why I have this on here. Would it be like a line pointer? Maybe that'd be better. kind of wish I had a better IDE for this, so I could like do code folding, so I could like fold some instructions down. I mean, make it a lot easier. But it's whatever. Okay, so given I have the instruction index. So evaluate operands will break up the 3 operands for me and give me like actual values for them. So probably a plugin for that somewhere. Yeah, there's definitely a plugin for that somewhere. I don't have anything nice for Vim setup, which is like the pathogen like plugin manager or whatever. So adding plugins is sometimes a pain in the ass. I'm eventually gonna get to having one of those things. I just haven't gotten around to it. Oh man. One of these days though. One of these days I'll do it. Thank you for the help, by the way. I appreciate you trying to help me. It's definitely helpful to have someone like watching over me, make sure I don't do like something stupid. Even though it ended up being, you know, not even that bad. Okay, so I don't know if this is a dumb idea, but I'm going to make it so that is that a good idea? I'd rather not have to actually do that. Make a return void and then not. Yeah, no, I don't know. It helps people to talk it out loud. It helps having someone like give you ideas, you know. So this should be pointers op1 and op2. This is a massive list of yeah, so what I'm doing here is yeah, rubber duck debugging. There you go, dude. But instead of, you know, being a rubber duck, it's like 8 people on a stream, which I mean I love. It's fun to me. All right, so this would be operand. No. What do I use operands for? Anything? Like this specific. I don't even know what I do with this though. It doesn't seem like I do anything. Alright, I'm just gonna see if this works. Does this break anything? It does. Wow, that's pretty simple. Oh shit. What does this break? Oh, wait. What did I do wrong? Oh my god. I just don't remember why I need that. I'd rather just not have it here if I don't remember why. Yeah, okay, I didn't even need that. It was totally useless declaration. Evaluate. Too few arguments. Cool. Alright, so that works now. And then what I was planning on doing was something like this would be operands. So it would be a operands equals CLic 3 size events. And so I'll be able to get the like integer values of whatever operands back. So let's just do 3 operands. That doesn't compile. Why doesn't that not compile? Oh, 2 fragments still. Okay, yeah. So then this would be the I don't know if there's any better way to do that, but Florida State University. That is Florida State University for computer science. Okay. So, rather than print, I'd rather not print off the operands. Let's print off printf %d %d %d, which is then operands bracket 0 operands bracket 1 operands bracket 2. That should give me all the values that should have. It didn't make it that way. The values is actually not being freed anymore, so I can't do it that way. Let's do crap. Oh, whoops. No, it'll be this. Which makes a little bit more sense. I guess I should call it like operand values or something. Operand values. Just to be consistent. There you go. Now we want a free operand values. Let's change it in the header to cool. All right, yeah, see, it's working now. So it does actually like store it correctly, right? So no operands. Then there's S0 and _A, which wouldn't be working because _A is a label and it's just gonna store. So let me change that to like -1, which should not be a thing. -1, yeah. All right. So everything that happens there is a label, right? So the first one happens, second one happens. Yeah. So S0. Second instruction, S0, which is registered, be 16, which works. And then -A or _A, which is -1 since it's a label. And there's T6, that's 14. That should not be -1 though. Why would that be? Oh, this sounds getting repetitive. 119. This is a good song. So I think I need to do these type of things. So like it's an instruction, a register. I guess an immediate. Immediate is also a type of thing. So T immediate. What am I looking up? I guess I could just say like if buffer bracket 0, so like is digit, I think it's called. Yeah, like an immediate would always have like the first thing being a digit. So red equals T immediate. Should be able to identify immediate values. Right, does that come out? That come out. Right? Yeah, it does. So okay. So for evaluating operands, where the hell? There we go. Why is that also -1? That's super weird. Something about that third instruction is making it... Because I understand why the first one is just dot text, so that's just a directive. And the next one has main. Oh wait, no, I'm only looking at those. So there's no operands here. There's 2 operands here, which makes sense why this would be 0, -1. Maybe I should do more like else's. So like I have so with the so it can either be immediate. Operand values bracket I is equal to, what is it? What's that thing that you convert C string to ATOI or something? No. ATOI, yeah. ATOI operand. And then there's T register, T immediate. I already have T register. Instruction. So it'll either be register, an immediate, or a label. That should be the only things, yeah. Right? so oh wait, that actually seems to work. Damn, alright, that works. I love when stuff works. Cool, alright, so now we have the operand values being like correctly parsed. Sadly neglecting my bagels. And so now I can identify the instruction. I have an array of labels, so I can index it correctly. And then I'm actually pretty close to like having this working, I think. So if I convert instruction to bytes, so let's have instruction to bytes. We'll take a const pointer. No, const pointer. I always mix this up. Yeah. Read it backwards. Pointer to int. Pointer to const int. Const pointer to int. Pointer to const int is what I want. So I want a int const pointer. If I have a const int const pointer, oh my god. Const pointer to const int. Yeah, I don't want to be able to change it. So const pointer to const. Oh my god. No, these shall be reversed. So int const star const. A const pointer to a constant int. Yeah, so right to left. If I read it that way, it's better. Okay, so values operand. Man, where's that going? Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys like sticking around and hanging out. This is fun. No, oh, I'm not sure if you heard me. I answered your question. It was Florida State University. Not sure if you heard me. I feel so weird eating on stream. Alright, so the way that I've set this up is that I basically just have a list of instructions here, and it gives me this, like, it'll tell me the index of this values array, which is like the value of the operands, which index to index into. So the first one's the opcode, the second one is RS, RT, RD, the shift, the funct field, the immediate index, and the target index. And so that'll always give me, that'll always give me the addresses of, or not, sorry, not the addresses, the index that I need to index into to be able to get those specific values into in that values array. So like I have this values right here. So these indexes, as long as they're not -1, will tell me where to look. I just have to figure out like a way to use this to like. So I gotta figure out what instruction. So Maybe this will be like a const instruction pointer inster is equal to the address of this. Then I can just say inster.op or inster arrow op. And then if inster bracket or arrow, what did I call it? Instructor, so if format ifr How much of this works? Like, very basic. How much of this shit works? And then I want to do instruction to bytes. We will pass it the instruction index, operand values. What does not work here? I. Load instruction. That's a nothing. That's a pseudo instruction. Load word I. I mean, add immediate I. Store word I. Yeah. Okay. That's actually right. Damn. Cool. Okay. So it's actually working correctly. So it'll identify what the instruction is. I guess else if it's a pseudo instruction, I gotta like do the handling of that. Whoa. So that'll eventually be handled some way. No, it shouldn't be in pseudo instruction. I'm supposed to handle that when I parse it. Oh, is music over? Oh, music over. Actually. Is better? Let's just keep this going for a while. Maybe start? Yeah, there we go. Cool. Alrighty. This is a little bit calmer. Actually, this is a little redundant, right? I could just do instructions plus instruction. Yeah. Can I get that working? Is it too small? Do you want me to... let me see if I can fix this. Hold on. Can I, if I just... Is that any better? So I probably don't need this as big. Is this okay? Ah, I probably should check. Way better. Oh. Okay, cool. Yeah. I'm not sure which you just saw. It's, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, actually, let me quickly see. Because I remember it being really small. So I'm working on a project for my class, which is we have to take MIPS 32 code, or like MIPS assembly code, and convert it to like machine code. So the project is like, yeah, let me show you. So it will take this above MIPS assembly code right here, and it'll convert it to this kind of basic like machine code representation. So it's basically knowing the instruction formats for like load word, add immediate, store word, and then like where these operands go. So like, you know, knowing that T7 is like an integer value of 15, you know, like how to do offsets and storing the addresses of labels. Yeah, it's pretty cool, I think. So I'm pretty close, actually. I've been working on it for a while. I made two regular expressions, like two pretty, I think, complicated regular expressions that like break it up. So that's what all these match groups right here on the side are. So they can break up like a real instruction, like main, load address, and the operands, and it'll break it up into three things, which makes it a lot easier for parsing. So yeah, it's fun. So I'm actually now like in the process of taking like where these operands go and putting them into like just a 32-bit integer, and then seeing if it works, which I really hope it does. So I needed the assembly PDF. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's basically parsing it with regular expressions. I'm not sure if that's in the, I mean, it's kind of, I mean, it's allowed in the assignment, and I prefer regular expressions rather than using like scanf or whatever. I thought C people use flex plus bison or something. Yes. So the class is called programming languages, and so we're learning about like flex, and I think we're using Yak. I'm not sure if it's bison. She mentioned bison, but I'm not sure if that's what we're using. We might eventually though. But yeah, so I'm just doing it like, you know, the kind of the brute force way with the regular expressions. Yeah. I mean, it works. It took me a while to like get the regular expression working, but once I got it working, it like made it really nice. And the regex like library that's included with C is like, I mean, it works. It, you know, has POSIX syntax, so it works with any, you know, regular expression that I give it. Okay, so I gotta give it. Oh, I got caps lock on. Champs equal to. It's actually a bunch of these. Champs. Also, I didn't know that you watched other streams, because I watch your stream all the time. I just didn't know that you're actually like, you watched other people's streams too. That's really cool. This would be I guess that's the way to get ahead. Look out for your competition. Yeah, I know you mean. Actually, it doesn't even really matter that I have these. This is all set up for all of them. Yeah. So I can probably RS, RT, RD, sham, defunct, immediate. Oh, the immediate. Well, the immediate is just... Yeah, I have to put it in there. So, defunct. Hey, where'd the music go? Music. Restart, please. Oh, there's a... There we go. It compiles. So we return instruction. Okay. So if it's an R-type format, then we gotta shift the. So we always shift the opcode over. So. So instruction, and then or equals op, and then we wanna. Can we do this in one step? Is equal to op. So op, and then I want to shift that over. I don't remember how this works. Text. Yeah, I'll make it bigger for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. I don't remember how shifting works. Like I know what it does, but I don't remember. Oh, this is like freaking huge. Alright, so if I have some int, you know, a equals 0, and I have an or it with, I guess like just 5 or something. If the opcode at like 32. Yeah. Well, 31. I don't know. Dude, you're so lucky. When I was in university, they've never given us anything like you're doing now, even though I was majoring in CS. Really? Damn. Yeah, I mean the CS program here, I think is pretty good. It's fun. Like the first language they teach you is C++, and then like for the rest of everything, it's either like I had a class on Python, and now I'm doing one on programming languages, which teaches us Lisp and Prolog, which I'm not sure if you use Prolog. Then all the other classes are like in C, and kind of C++. Data structures is C++, but the rest is in C, which I don't know. I like a lot of my friends hate it. They hate C, but I like C. I think it's fun. So yeah, I don't know. That's fun. I wish how does this work? So if I shift it over 1, it multiplies it by 2, which means it moves it over 1 space. And so if I have 3 in there, that'll be 1 1. And then if I move it over, right? So like if I have 3 in there, it's like 1 1. And then if I move it over 1, it'll be 1 0. So that's a shift of 1 to move the leftmost one. Okay, so if I have so that's 16-bit. So if I have 31 in there, which is what is that? That's 8, 4, so that's 15. So this would be 31. So I'd want to move this over 3, and then 4, oh my god, alright, so that, what value am I supposed to get? How do people do this so quick? I don't understand how you know where to shift this over. I need this like these 5, or I think it's 6. Yeah, the opcode's 6 bits. I need these 6 bits to be here. So I mean 32 minus 6, so it should just be 26, right? Yeah. Yeah. I wish, how do you, can you print in, like, print 32-bit binary C? 32-bit binary C. Is there a thing for this? This is not a thing in C. Oh boy. Alright. Is there a short one? Let's see. So what do they do? Is it, yeah, printf format converter. Oh no, that is apparently not a thing. Ooh, yeah, good point, good point. I don't know why I was thinking not to use Python. I use Python for like everything. I don't even know why I didn't think to do that. 0b, so be yeah, okay, cool. So Python. Can I print this in binary? Like, no, alright. Bytes? No, oh god, what did I do? Oh, kill it. I don't know what I did. Killed the terminal. Killed the REPL. I don't know, man. I use Python for everything. All of my projects. I have like, I don't know. That's how I got into programming. Like, man, I love it. I love Python. Python 3 is like my baby. I do like I have so many projects in Python. Oh my god. Like there's like my website's built in Python, like Flask, and I built a like a backend for like an iOS app that I'm working on with my friend, and like there's bots. I wrote a bot that signs me up for classes at my college in Python, and like I'm a TA and it downloads all my assignments. Like I made that like a bot in Python using Selenium. There's like this is my first project. There was like a screenshot, like I guess just a wrapper for a screenshot tool, but that was like my first thing I did in Python. I don't know, man. I love Python. Python's great. There's a Reddit bot too. Python's my favorite. Oh, perfect. Oh, whoops. Well, I guess I just don't like dynamic programming languages. My opinion is irrelevant. I don't think it's irrelevant. Why don't you like dynamic programming languages? Because I know you do Scala a lot. Scala and Rust, which I've always wanted to learn Rust. I don't understand Rust. I tried to learn it once, but it didn't go well. So like, why don't you like Python or anything? Just curious. Don't you do Rust? Oh, that doesn't stop you. Yeah, I was gonna say, I swore you did Rust. Yeah, I mean, but you understand it enough to like actually do things in it, you know. I wish I was at that point. I'm just not the. Okay, so this does actually do what I want. So I gotta move it over 26. 26. More equals. Yeah, I don't get functional programming. I'm going to, because I think isn't Lisp functional? Like, or you use Lisp to write functional paradigm. I don't know what I'm saying. It's just yeah. I always wanted to learn Scala or Haskell. I can't wrap my mind around it correctly. Like, I know like the key idea is like it's not mutable or something, like things aren't mutable, but I don't know, man. Dynamic languages just scare me. Like, I know I made a mistake somewhere, and I know I won't know about that until the execution get there. Yeah, I know. I don't know. You can still find mistakes pretty quickly, and it's harder to make a mistake. I don't want to say it holds your hand more, but it's like it's easier to not make a mistake, in my opinion. I should have left these. I'm gonna do it again. So this is I. This is J. Oh, J. Else. Oops. Alright, so we gotta move it over. Come back, Python terminal. I need you. Alright, so insert is equal to 0, and I'm going to say insert equal or equals 31 left shift to 26. So I want to print it. So insert. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, I know. I'll probably eventually do something like a little bit more robust for making like big things. I've done I've done my version of big things in Python, but I've always like wanted to use C++ and like the STL and write like C++ 14, like go really hard at like learning C++ 14 and templates and all that kind of stuff and doing my project in that. But that seemed really scary compared to using Python for everything. So I don't know. I want some language like C++, and I thought Rust would do that, but then I don't know. Maybe I just don't think I gave enough time to Rust. But I'll eventually learn something like, you know, some robust big language like that. That's not dynamic. It'll happen. I know it will. Maybe. Okay. So. Or that with, I guess, 15 left shifted, so 25 times? So that's 15. So that needs to be. Wait, so what? So how's that work? 4, 8, 10. So that moves the rightmost bit to the 11th spot. Okay, so if this, so 1, 2, 3, so that's 6. So 32 minus 6. That's 26. So I moved it to the 26th spot. Oh man, bits are hard, dude. Bits are annoying. So if I need to move this, thank you for coming by. I appreciate it, and I'm definitely gonna be watching your stream next time you stream. So see you later, man. Thanks for stopping by. He's a cool guy. I like him. So that's the 21. Okay, so we gotta order this over 21 spots. And then... Okay. And I gotta ore, maybe if it's like 8 or something, I think it's also a register. So, that needs to be over 5 bits. So that should be 16? Would that work? If I do 15, there should be 1 spot in between. 2 spots. 16. Yeah, cool. Alright, so it'd be 21 minus 5, right? Yeah. And then if I do 15 again, so 15 or 6 over 16, so that'd be 11? Yeah, that's cool. Alright, it's working. It's working. So RS, RT, RD, instruction, or equals RS, RT, so that'd be 16, and then, oh, the music ended. Hold on, let me get the music back. I love the music. The music is so calm. Oh man, I love this music. So this be 11. And then... Alright, so we got RS, RT, RD, the Shamps. I think that actually just should be 0. Maybe that would make more sense. So the Shamp is also 5 bits, so it'd be 16 minus 11, which is 5, and then minus would be 6 again. Yeah, and then instruction or equals counts. Hey, does that work? What if that works? Oh my god! Oh, I'm so excited! I'm actually getting like close to it working. So for I format, we have RSRT. Yeah. And then we have the immediate. So instruction or equals immediate. That should be 16 bits. Yeah, that'd be 16 bits. Cool. So the J is really simple. It'll just be this, or the target address, which should just be 26 bits. Yeah, it's the lower 26 bits. I don't have to do any shifting. Yeah, cool. All right. So I think this function is actually working in converting stuff to bytes. That's pretty cool. All right. So what's the oh, oops. Hey, we got something working. I think they're gonna be wrong just because the labels are still 0, but we actually have it like converting into. Yeah, we did it, guys. I still have 3 bagels here, or 3 bagel halves. Totally forgot about my food. Alright, give me 1 second. Just make sure I didn't. Oh man. Alright, hold on, guys. I'm gonna be right back. I just gotta make a quick phone call. So thanks for watching though. I should be back soon. But thank you for like I might be back in like 2 seconds. I'm not sure. I'll be right back though. Hello, I'm back. Oh, did the music stop? Oh, he's on repeat. That's why. Yeah, I'm back. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Alright. So, if you... How you doing? How you doing? I'm also here. And relationships are tricky stuff. I don't know if I get it. I don't know how to do a relationship. I wish I did. Okay. So I think we got like a lot of our instructions working. We just have to make it so that whenever this little label, we can properly like translate that label in the evaluate operand function to the actual address. Do like what we did during the Stone Age. Bat him on the head and take him back to the man cave. Yeah. That worked for a while, but I don't want to make this stream too personal. It's just like apparently I spend a lot of time programming or working, and it just makes things difficult. So I love this stuff. I don't know how to spend like less time on it. It's just fun. It's just so much fun. I don't stream it. I don't stream enough to like show you that I do it a lot, but like I do it a lot. So yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Do I even ever use this? Instruction new. Yeah, I don't even ever use this really. Do I need this? Yeah, I really never used that. I don't even have a thing declared for it. Yeah, that's whatever. I don't really need it. Less code the better. Yeah, man, it's like I don't want to get into this on stream because that's not what the stream is about. But it's complicated. It's very complicated. So I appreciate the advice though. It's appreciated. Yeah. Oh. Okay, back to the assignment. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna get a long sleeve shirt or something. I'm just a little cold. I don't know why I'm cold. water? I do have water. Alrighty. This music. I love this music. Okay, so my next step is to whenever they give me a label, so I gotta like start parsing like text versus like data. It's like short sign. Yeah, I know, right? I mean, I'm just kind of being a baby. I mean, so I'm from the north, like northeast northeast, like United States, north coast, northeast coast, and like I'm used to pretty cold temperatures. But I've been in Florida for like about a year, and I've kind of become just like a baby. It's 74 degrees in my house right now, and I have a jacket on, and I also and you're right, I have shorts on. I don't know what I've become, but I think I've become a baby to the cold. I don't know why. It just happens, man. I can't control it. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, so I still have friends back home, and they're, I mean, let me see what the temperature is there. Like right now there, it is, it's actually 40 degrees. Alright, so they're not doing too bad. I don't know, my friend was in class the other day, and he like Snapchatted me, and he showed me that it was like blizzarding, like there was a blizzard, and it was like -5, or like not 5, it was like 5 degrees or something, like 5 or 10 degrees. It was very, very cold. He was like bundled up in a jacket, he had his hood on, like face cover and everything, and I'm like walking around in Florida from class to class. It's like 70 degrees out, clear blue sky, like sun everywhere. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. I was kind of bragging. Well, I live in Sweden, mate. -10 is still quite moderate. Get on my level. Yeah, I know, right? Like, I don't know. I became such a baby when I moved to Florida. Yeah, I'm not sure I could do -10 right now. Maybe if I lived there for a while, you're probably pretty used to it. But I don't think I could do that right now. You guys are funny. Yeah, I'm not sure I can do -10. That's pretty insane. So I think the problem right now is that, so like when I evaluate, like, let's see. So these instructions, they have like labels in them, right? So like this one, load address, it has _A as a label. And right now I have it that if it finds a label, it's just going to be 0, because I don't have any way to associate this _A label here with _A the way it's declared down here. And so like I gotta figure out a way to handle when they say dot space, it actually has to like allocate a certain number of bytes. Like it has to offset like the program counter, I think, a certain amount. Let me see how she does it, my teacher, because that's probably going to be the best way to think about this. So the first one gets translated into 2 instructions, so it's there's 4 instructions here, and it ends up being 5, so it is going to be 2. So then running the sample executable with testing SM2 outputs. So add immediate. Does that work? Does my add immediate work? T7, T6, T1, and that prints out 8. Oh hey, that actually, no. Why doesn't that work? Why does hers not have a 1 there? So it has store word. Do I have a load word? Is that it? T6 0 S1 S0. Wait, say that again. So these instructions that I have, like if you see here, there's main, load address, and then like some register and a label. The first thing that I need to do is be able to like store these labels, like main and underscore a. This one's easy because when I'm reading it over, like the .text section, I can pretty easily figure out where this is. So this is gonna be like program counter, like equals 0, like right, like that's what program counter will be when we're here, because it starts off at .text, and then I think it starts off at .text, and then this label down here is allocated afterwards. So I'm not sure if allocated data goes before or after the .text section in the program, but if it goes before, that means I need to like offset the program counter that I use by this like 4 bytes right here, and then it needs to like save where or like save what address underscore a is at, so that I can refer to it later in like say in this instruction, because like it says load address S0 and then underscore a, and underscore a is that label. It's like a memory address. But if I'm reading it for the first time, I'm not gonna know where underscore a is, because I haven't gotten to that last line yet where it's actually like allocated. And so I have to like do 2 passes on it. And I got when I see this .data section, then everything afterwards has to be like allocating data, and then I gotta figure out how to store that label and then do the correct offsets for like printing out the instructions. Since I think I have to print out the like program counter at the correct times or the correct spots. So yeah, man, I think so .text is declared up here, and then she has 5 instructions, well 4 but 5, and then .data, and that's where the underscore a is allocated. And then her first instruction is the load up or immediate part of load address, and that starts at program counter like equals 0. So .data is afterwards, and then yeah, that's all good, man. I'm still learning C. Like I know the basics of C to like write this, but there's some people that know C that are like magicians to me, because some stuff that I have absolutely 0 idea how to do. I don't think I ever will. So a lot of those people, they're just like beyond me. Okay, so we're down here, parsing assembly. And so if I see a label, I'm storing that label in that instruction. It is Florida State University. That is the college that I go to for computer science. I have a thought, but let me double check before I say anything. Honestly, you can just throw it out there. You don't have to be too correct, because I'm going to be messing around with this for a little bit. So feel free. Say away all your ideas. I am absolutely open to anything. Trust me, if I could do C++, I probably would do C++, but it is a requirement that it's in C. I think most of the class is going to be in C, so. That is the requirement. I must do C. I would not do this in JavaScript. Absolutely not. Yeah, I mean, if I had the choice, I would do Python, because this would be probably significantly easier in Python. But since I don't, I gotta use C. I'm forced to use C. It's okay. It's not bad. I like learning C. No. I prefer C++, but it's kind of nice. C is such a small language, and like, I don't know. I like having to do everything sort of manually, but not really manually, but sort of manually. It's kind of fun. Yeah, I know, right? You can just do the entire thing in 2 lines. That's what I love about Python. Everything's so short, it's like fairly fast, and it's like fairly readable. You know, it's nice. It's nice. What's mod RM? Never. Yeah, but yeah, it is solid. It's kind of fun. Oh, x86. Oh, are you saying like do this entire assignment in x86? I'd rather not. I'd rather never do that. Rather never do anything so huge as this is in x86. So first I'd have to learn x86, and that just does not sound fun. I'll eventually get there, but I want to learn ARM, like ARM, that instruction set first, and like do stuff on my Raspberry Pi, and I don't know, I think that'd be fun. Do I ever use this? Get instruction num operands. Yeah, I don't know why I would ever use that. That doesn't seem useful at all, actually. For the sake of argument, I'm just gonna delete this because it doesn't seem very useful. That's cool. No, I'm not saying to do that loud. That would suck. Yeah, I'm just saying, like, even idea. I probably could. There's probably definitely a correct way to do this, but in white space before, no. Esoteric programming languages are not on my list of things to do. They might eventually be, but if there's anything I'd want to learn Mu. I think that'd be so much fun. Or it's either cow or Mu or something, and like the entire language is just like variations of the word Mu, like move forward, move backwards, M, like capital M, lowercase o, capital O, like I don't know. I think it's hilarious. I would love to write something. It's either cow or Mu. I don't know. Yeah, I would not want to program anything in white space. That would rip my hair out, especially this. Store word. So my instructions actually seem pretty correct, except these final 16 bits have like these random values in them, which I'm a little concerned about. Yeah, exactly. If I ever use this, I would... Yeah. I just really like deleting code, so I'm just trying to get rid of everything that's like seems extraneous, so I don't have to use it. I don't need it in here, like making my brain hurt. If I ever use this, instruction deletes. There we go, cool. So we're back to 377 lines, 115, so it's like 500 lines. Crap, still a lot. Okay, so 8-bit images. Oh my god. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's not so fun. And then, did I have anything important? Mailbox? No. Cool. Alright, we're good. Okay, so whenever I see a label, all of this stuff needs to happen, I think, in like it has to do different things depending on whether it's data or text. So like if we're in the text section, did I include bool? What did I just do? Did I delete something? I did. Okay. Yeah, I have standard bool. It's just the method of the results. So like, as long as it produces the correct assembly in all of our test cases, then it's correct. No, because I don't have all the test cases that she's going to use, so I have to do it for basically like every type of assembly, or not every type of assembly. Sorry, any MIPS file she'd give me, it has to be able to correctly work. So sadly, I cannot just brute force it. Yeah. If only that worked. If only JavaScript had a function called convert MIPS assembly to machine code, then it'd be one-liner. So it does not equal 0. So if it equals 0, then it's correct. So, yeah. Oh, I think strn cmp safer. So when I can compare, I think it's operand buffer. No, it'd be this. Sorry. I am using, I think, C99. I'm not sure. So I'm using my own compiler, which has like the latest version of GCC. So it's like C11 or something that it supports. But I think the one that my school is using, which is the one my teacher will be using, is GCC 4.9. And I think they support C99. I don't think it's C89. Hopefully not. Actually, no, it might be C89. So it's pretty old version of C. I'm not sure what version of GCC like put in support for C99, but I don't think it was. Yeah, I'm actually not really entirely positive about how that stuff works with like how that stuff works with like why can't I think of what I'm trying to say with like compilers and like which version of C is like by default compiled or like checked against. So I'm not entirely sure. I wish it would come a replacement for the C languages. It's just as powerful and comfortable to write as Python. Yeah, man, I hope one day it'll be like that. I can't wait. No. Maybe I'll make one in the future. I don't know. But it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It just takes a lot of like, I don't know if this sounds bad, but like C takes a lot more thought than Python, like just being careful with a lot of stuff. Python is kind of like, you know, what is it? It's better to ask for permission than forgiveness, and like that just doesn't work in C. It's just like your program just fucking, you can't do that. Like imagine if you had an airplane that was just like it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission, and like you can't. Like if something happens, like there's an exception that doesn't work in C. There's no exceptions. You just like you gotta handle all the errors correctly. You gotta be as safe as possible. You know, don't get any seg faults. Don't like, you know, I don't know, just make sure to initialize all your variables. Oh man, yeah. So, so yep, that's I don't know, T directive. Yeah, memory allocation is a mess. It'd be nice if I had objects. That'd be kind of cool. But, you know, I don't. So, just gotta deal with it. And honestly, as long as you're careful from the beginning and you go slow enough, I don't think memory allocation is that bad to handle manually. You just gotta be like careful, be consistent, make sure like, you know, your names make sense. Your programs are like there's what are they called? Solid principle. Yeah, I even have it on. You know, like as long as you follow these 5 principles, which I'm aware of, like these first 2. You know, like I know these fairly well, and I'm not entirely sure about these last ones. But if you follow these ones, even though they're kind of for object oriented, like you know, they still apply to C. Well, building it into the language, you're still letting a human do that. So, I mean, I know it's different, and I know it's like safer that way, but oh, hold on. Hello, my people. We are back. All right, so yeah, what's up? I have we have an app. My friend and I. That was just my friend that was calling. We have an app that we're doing it for like a state government like agency, and it's like the like energy or whatever, like the energy department of the state, and we're creating an app for them, and it's like it's going really well. So we just got like the approval of our idea. They're saying like that people really want it. They're gonna promote it really hard. So it's all going good. We're gonna get our app out there. Oh, I just really want to get this done though. It's like kind of weighing on my mind the fact that I haven't got this done. Alright, so I want to do another check. So if identify token T label, so this would be for any other run where this is a label. So it doesn't need to do that check separately since it can't be one. It can only be one or the other. So if it's a label and where you're and data section. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's I don't know. I'm really happy, and I get to do the back end in Python and Flask. He's doing the front end for like iOS, so Swift, and then I think he's gonna do Android, but that's eventually. So it'll be Java. So it's a cool little stack we have going on. And then I think we're gonna like I'm not sure how we'll deploy it, but it'll be like AWS or something. So I'm very excited. Oh my god, I love this music so much. I wish I could find more music like this. By the way, if you guys want to know the song that I've been playing for a while, here's that song. I'm not sure if you guys have ever seen, there's this guy on YouTube called Biscuit. He's this like, I think he's like Norwegian or something. Biscuit. Yeah, this dude. This is his YouTube videos. There we go. So he does like, I'm just gonna like quickly watch. So the video that I was watching the other day, really short intermission. Oh, this one. So we're just gonna like really briefly watch this dude's video. He creates like from scratch in C.
C++ templates are really useful. For example,
wait, why is it not loading? Oh, whoops. So is this guy? This like crazy cool like Norwegian dude. Oh man, I cannot stream and watch YouTube videos at the same time apparently. But he in C from scratch, he writes like a game engine. Oh wait, is this it? Yeah. So yeah, Biscuit's like a huge inspiration for me, and I also found all of this music that I'm listening to through him. It's just he's such a cool guy. If you haven't seen Biscuit, totally check out Biscuit. Finish. Yes. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. I promise. All right. Yeah. This is not going well, but it's an awesome channel. If you haven't seen him, totally check out Biscuit. Love that dude. It's like Biscuit, I think. It's that. Yeah. But yeah, he's Finnish, not Norwegian. Finnish. Does a bunch of like C programming videos. He does like, you know, the type of music that I'm listening to. He's got like a really cool accent, like way cooler than mine, and he's like crazy smart. He's like super good at like everything he does basically. So he's an inspiration. Love that dude. Hold on, sorry, just texting, making sure relationship is okay. Okay. Alrighty, back to this. Okay, so if it's a label and we're in the data section, then I gotta handle this differently. I don't know. I gotta read her notes. I don't remember how it's handled. Whoa, holy crap, that was way too much. Instruction format, general format, okay. So allocation of memory, instructions here. Trying to figure out how it's laid out, like in memory, like if dot data or dot text comes first, and like where. So it's reserved text data. Okay. So the text comes first and data comes later? How the hell do you do this? Yeah, see, this is gonna be the more challenging part of this. I feel like converting instructions is fairly easy and straightforward. It just takes a while, but this is like the figure out how is that laid out. So where is that data located? I don't know how to phrase this. Stack Overflow assembly data directive. Yep, here's the difficult part. So there's two things I got to do now, which is first is convert load address. So load address is a pseudo instruction. It's not actually like a real instruction in MIPS. It's the combination. Like what it does automatically for you is it does load upper immediate and or immediate, and so I have to take, like, whenever I see load address, I need to convert it from load address to load upper immediate and or immediate. Thank you, man. That's what's happening right now. So I appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out and talking and everything. So thank you, appreciate it. See ya. Okay. Sorry, if I'm ever like that, I'm texting. There's like shit going down right now, so I'm trying to like divert my focus to like two very important things. So if I seem distracted, that's why my mind's just on this, and it's just hard to concentrate. this is happening during stream. Oh, this is not what I intended to happen right now. Sorry, I'm like super duper distracted right now. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get water. Okay, is anyone still here or did everyone leave? I can't imagine everyone would leave. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh well. If anyone's still here, thank you for sticking around. I'm just, I don't know, man. This is super. I did not want this to happen during the stream. Shit's like going down right now. I don't know how I feel about it. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm sorry, dude, guys. Like, this stream is super boring right now. I just, alright, full disclosure, it's just shit with my girlfriend. Like, I appreciate the fact that just 5 people watching me right now. Like, that's insane. I did not expect even like 7 people here right now. There's 7 people here watching me text my girlfriend. I'm sorry, guys. I'm getting back to this. I promise. Just give me like 2 seconds. Yeah. Where was I? Line is a pointer. If I pass a pointer by value and I try and free that pointer, does it actually free the right pointer? Yeah, so this is the problem that I'm having. I'm trying to... So I pass it a pointer. It's going to free that data. It's about the data that it points to rather than the pointer not pointing to that data, I think. Yeah. God damn, pointers is so annoying. Okay, alright. I guess it won't be the address of that. So that works. Wait, so originally, what did I have it as? Oh god, I have to fill all this shit again. So I had it dereferencing it, okay. So that is the same as what I had. Yeah. Okay. So now if I create this. data labels stored. Storing data labels. So we have to store. Wait. Doesn't make any sense. Okay. Hey, so guys, I'm gonna probably end the stream right here, just because I'm just sort of tired. I'm gonna keep working, but thank you for watching. I really appreciate everyone that's been through all of this stuff with me. So thanks for watching. I'll probably be streaming probably tomorrow or sometime throughout the week. So thank you all for watching. If you guys want to see more of this, just remember to follow. Okay. So thanks. See you guys.